RC Anarchy, back at you, baby. What it do? We're ripping open brand new Trx4 Sport. We're gonna make it into a Chevy mud truck with these bad boys. Look at these. Look at these Fling Kings. So, just got all this stuff in. It's gonna be my new project. What we're gonna do with the Trx4 Sport is body gone, tires gone, motor gone, ESC gone, controller gone, replacing everything. And we're gonna be rolling mud truck style with these guys. Come on. Alright, we got it out. Check these bad boys out. I'm gonna build a truck around these tires because they are sick. And what better truck than a Chevy? All right, we got these big dogs out. Let's see what the truck's about. How you get into this bad boy? We got an attention. Easy setup tips, and don't do this at home or you'll ruin it. We're flinging mud. We're going to be flinging mud. Look at this. Mud flingers. So it's going to be sick. Sick. Let's get this crap out of here. Take this guy out. Take this guy out. Servo. Take that guy out. Alright, there we go. The Sport's been stripped. Gonna put in our new electronics. Well, I haven't got the servo out yet, but everything else is out. We're gonna put in the new electronics. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, baby. We're gonna get fired up. Got that hobby wing in there. That thing looks like it should have come in there. Should have come in there from the beginning. Come on. Looks so sick. This thing's gonna eat the mud for breakfast. Come on. Got the motor in. We got the ESC in. We got the new servo in. Speed control. Yeah, we're gonna run that controller. Pulling everything out. I'm gonna take that red stuff off. Got one of these chrome dogs to put on there. We're going deep. 45 tooth spur. And we're going to go with a 12 tooth pinion, put it into this bad boy. I'm going to change out the front bumper too. I wanted to run this one, but it's just too big and it's getting in the way of the tires. So we're going to swap out the pinion and spur, gear it down a little bit. Hopefully we're almost there. Alright, here we are. The mud bogger. We're all dialed in. Time for the first rip. Here we go.
Yeah! Jeez!
Uh.